Hello there and welcome. This video is a quick way for me to introduce you to Loop Backup. Artificial intelligence runs and manages the backup of Microsoft Office 365 and Google Workspace. Backups are cloud to cloud and run several times each day, with no hardware or storage required at your location. We are the only backup provider with a recover guarantee. Since Loop Backup is run by artificial intelligence, the backup cannot be affected by ransomware or malware. If you are for any reason unable to restore previously backed up data using Loop Backup with an active account, then you can claim your money back. Loop Backup is multi-tenancy, allowing you to manage multiple domains or different customers in a single web management panel. End users, if allowed by administrators, can sign in using their Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace login details to recover items on their own. Administrators, managers, or users can receive daily or weekly reports by email for all the activity of Loop Backup. This makes Loop Backup ideal for system administrators or managed service providers. Thank you for your interest in Loop Backup. Have a good day.